Hello, Tara here. So this is more of a layout share than anything. I just kind of got working away and never turned the camera on. So just to kind of quickly go over it, this was kind of the sketch we started out with. I had gone through this when I was building the page kit. So if you're interested in anything like that, then these are smudgy. I'll link the page building video. What I did though was I had cut up both sheets of tags that came in the kit. So I've got them all the way around the circle. This idea came from a layout that Jessica Michaels did, and I'm going to link her video down in the description as well. Totally different look to it, but this is where I got the tag idea from. What else to say? So because I didn't want to waste all the bits that were in behind, I cut them, and I had previously punched out all the holes from the tags, and I didn't like that look. I didn't want to put sequins on to cover the hole. So what I did was I have a 1/2 inch circle punch, and I took all the bits that were left from the pieces that I had cut off underneath the top part of the tag, and I punched out whatever circles I could. I used a variety of sizes and shapes. So I started with, well, I don't know if I got any with the 1.5 punch. I don't think well, maybe a few. I've got, oh, I never used that one. That's a 3/4 punch. I have this little EK Success floral punch. I have the We Are Makers reinforcer hole punch. As I said, the 1/2, and then this is a 1. So basically anything that I could get a little bit out of, I did. And this is what is left. And I'm gonna fussy cut the glasses out, but even if I could get an image out of it, I did the little seagull there. See, these are nice. And then if you don't really want the floral, you can turn it over and have your nice peach color. These, I didn't really like that side for punching, but that was nice. And like I said, I got a few florals out, and again, they're nice that side. So I put them over the holes with, I guess this is 1mm foam adhesive, and I put the Nouveau crystal glaze on top, so it almost looks like a coordinating enamel dot. Sorry. So where was I? These deals. I have a little bit of foam just under the one corner of each one, so that it almost looks like sort of like a windmill. And for the letters, I used a couple of the watercolor pencils from Tim Holtz, mostly blue with a bit of green on this one, on these two words, mostly green with a bit of blue on this one. The white splatters with the Dina Wakley white gloss spray, and then some of the Nouveau glaze over top of them. Just messing around, trying to figure out a technique that, well, thus far I've liked the couple that I've done, so I can only imagine that I will continue to like them. A little bit of gloss on this, on the sun, on the lens of the camera, and just on the little center of the floral there. And I guess I should say too that I pulled out, so from a couple of months ago, The travel, was this in the main kit or the travel kit? I know it came with adventure weights that month. So the Simple Stories Pack Your Bags, the colors were excellent with this. The camera's from that, the floral is from that, and then some of these, actually I think all of these little sayings came from here. But it was perfect for this particular, oh, and the little tab that came from the sticker sheet as well. So anything else? Oh, and the little arrow. I think what made me look for this was I was looking for an arrow. I wanted it kind of be like Jack fell down, but I mean, that was the only one on here and I just was done looking, so that's what it ended up being. Printable labels. I did my journaling and then I didn't like it, so redid it with the labels kind of all askew. I like how that looks. And the journaling just reads, Jack and Rose joined us for four-wheeling Sunday. It was one of those beautiful hot days that was perfect for playing down in the river. Everyone was soaked. The hill where we were going in and out of the river got really muddy. Jack went down but never quit smiling. He never does. So that's from 4 years ago now. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this one. I guess I probably should say this was done with the Summer Lovin kit. Summer Lovin kit from Mercy Tiara. I believe it is still available. I don't think the embellishment add-on is though. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Oh, and I should say there's foam underneath the circle and underneath the photos, so there is quite a bit of dimension to it, which is, you know, my favorite thing in the whole wide world. So that's it for today, guys. I gotta clean up this messy desk. Holy lifting, how to get this anyway. Hope everybody's having a great day, and thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you spending some time with me today. We'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.